everyone, how are you all? I hope all are doing great and fantastic. So, friends, once again, welcome to my new video. And, friends, in today's video, I want to talk about how much time will it take to learn English language because I have been asked this question so many times that, ma'am, how much time did you take to learn English language and how much time will it take to learn English language and to for speaking fluent English language, how much time I will have to give to this language. This question I have been asked so many times. So today I decided that I must make a video on this topic. And if you are thinking that how much time will you take to learn English language, so make sure that you are going to watch this video till the very end, because from this video you are going to know that according to your level how much time will it take to learn English language. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the video. So, friends, if I talk about myself, so as I have told you that I took so much time for learning English language, because when I started my journey, so that time I was not doing my speaking practice. I was just watching videos, and by watching videos, after watching videos, I was thinking that I'm improving my speaking skill. So this was the major mistake that I made. So you have to learn from my mistake, and I'm telling you that you don't need to make that mistake that I have done. Still I regret that I have just wasted my time in this language. If I had practicing of speaking English language when I started this journey, so today I would be speaking fluent English language. I regret this, but no problem. I have learned these things, and I'm able to make you understand these things. Okay, so let's talk about your journey. How much time will you take? Okay, so according to your practice, according to your level, you will have to give time. Okay, if you are in beginning level and if you are thinking that how much time will I have to give to this language, how much time I will have to give, and how much time will it take to learn English language. So if you are thinking that you are just wasting your time, you're just wasting your time because you are in beginning level and you will have to start from the zero. You will have to start from the zero of this language. You will have to understand the basic concept of this language. Okay, so if you are thinking that how much time will I have to give to this language, so your main work is not this. Your main work is focusing on language. Okay, just start practicing, and I can say that if you are practicing of speaking English language every day, if you have started speaking English language from the first day of your journey, so you don't need to give your so much time to this language, because learning any language depends on our practice, right? Depends on our practice, how much time are we giving to this language for practicing, for speaking practice. Main practice is speaking practice, and we all want to learn English language for speaking, so you just have to start speaking practice. Whenever you get free time, just start speaking English language. If you are trying to speak English language from the first day of your journey, so trust me, within a month you can learn English language. You can be fluent in this language. You can be able to convey your thoughts in English language. You don't need to give your too much time, but from the first day you will have to start speaking English language. I cannot say that you are watching videos every day, you are watching so many videos in a day and you are just improving your speaking skill. Not at all. Nothing is like that. You are not improving, you are just gaining knowledge of grammar. But what is the use of that knowledge if you are not using that knowledge in your daily conversation? You want to learn English language for speaking, and what is the use of those all grammar knowledge that you have and you are not using that? So by watching videos you cannot improve your speaking skill. Keep these things always in your mind. Okay, only by speaking you can improve your speaking skill. Okay, so I always say that start speaking, because speaking is the main pillar of this language, and speaking is main pillar of any language. Okay, so whatever you watch in any video, so just after watching that video, just try to implement those all things in your daily conversation. Okay, try to implement those all things, try to speak those all words whatever you will learn from any video. And only for gaining knowledge, if you are learning English language, so I cannot say anything for you. Only by watching videos you can gain knowledge, okay, there is no doubt. But if you want to speak English language, for speaking, if you are learning, so you will have to start speaking English language from the first day of your journey. Your times depends on your practice, okay. Keep these things always in your mind that if you are practicing of speaking English language every day, whenever you get free time, all the time, if you are thinking about English language, that I have to be fluent in this language, I have to be very knowledgeable in this language, so just start speaking English language. And if you have started speaking English language from the first day of your journey, so this language will not take so much time. This is just a language, and we can learn English language easily. This is not a big deal for us, okay. So I hope that you got my point, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep practicing, keep learning. Have a nice day.